Earn Sugar Drop in Candy Crush Saga. What is Sugar Drop? Sugar Drop are special candies that let you collect points toward a free reward track. Earn enough and you will unlock boosters, lives, and sometimes even gold bars for free. Open Candy Crush Saga and look for the candy jar. Sugar drop level are marked with blue sea candy icon on the level map. These are eligible sugar drop level. Not every level has sugar drop, so choose the mark 1. Also, you must pass level 50 to see sugar drop level. Once you hit the milestone like 60, 120, etc., you will unlock a reward box with booster like hammer, feast, or extra moves. Occasionally, gold bar or time limited power up. The jar resets every day or after a reward is claimed. So keep playing to earn more. Also, you can collect a limited number of sugar drop per daily, usually around 180. So spread your session out or come back tomorrow. And that's it. Now you know how to earn sugar drop in Candy Crush Saga and turn them into free goodies. Drop your favorite booster reward in comment. Like this if this helped you. Subscribe for more sweet Candy Crush tips. See you in the next one.